To Ashi's Book Hub. So today, which book set have I bought you? This is the Naughtiest Girl series by Enid blyton. So we have all 10 books of the series in a box set. So I'll be introducing each of these to you today. So let's start off with the first. Give me a few seconds to take these books out. Start inside. Turn it to the other side. Here we go. So we have the first book, The Naughtiest Girl in the School. Keep that over here. And the second book is The Naughtiest Girl Again. Third book, The Naughtiest Girl is a Monitor. This monitor is in class monitor, not the water monitor. Naughtiest Girl, here's the Naughtiest Girl. Ooh, pretty small, right? Then we have the book starting, written by Anne Digby, so which means Anne Digby is continuing the Enid blyton series, okay? So, the Naughtiest Girl keeps a secret. The Naughtiest Girl helps a friend. The Naughtiest Girl saves the day. Well done, Naughtiest Girl. The Naughtiest Girl wants to win. And last but not least, the Naughtiest Girl marches on. So here's the box set. Over here we have a small summary. When Elizabeth Allen, the naughtiest girl, is sent away to boarding school, she makes up her mind to be the naughtiest pupil there's ever been. So here we have the picture of the books. 10 exciting adventures. So keep the box set over here. Now I'll be reading each and every summary of these books. So let's start off with the first one. Elizabeth Allen is spoiled and selfish. When she's sent away to boarding school, she makes up her mind to be the naughtiest pupil there's ever been. But Elizabeth soon finds out that being bad isn't as simple as it seems. So I'm gonna put that book inside. But someone... So... Do you guys want me to read this? Okay, I'll continue. The naughtiest girl is in the school and this term she's trying to be good. But someone wants to spoil things for her and they're not going to let her forget how she got her nickname. That is the naughtiest girl. The nickname, I mean. Okay, so let's put these books in. They keep falling down, I don't know why. When Elizabeth Allen is chosen to be a school monitor, she's delighted. I said school monitor, not water monitor. But she soon finds out that a responsible job is very hard. The harder she tries, the worse she behaves. Will the naughtiest girl in the school ever be learned to good? There's a new boy in Elizabeth's class. He's sulky and grumpy and he'll do anything to show Elizabeth up. She means to keep her temper, but it's not easy for someone who's once the naughtiest girl in the school. That's the smallest book, I don't know why. Elizabeth intends to be naughty again, but when John entrusts her with his secret, the naughtiest girl finds herself in deeper trouble than ever. How can the naughtiest girl be good at camp with horrible Arabella and the very same tent? Especially when she's busy stirring up trouble for Elizabeth's friend Joanne. Elizabeth longs to star in the school summer play and she knows that she can't afford to be naughty. So when she's blamed for a hoax fire alarm, Julian's convinced someone has set her up. The worst girl in the school, or the best. It's the end of the school year and Elizabeth's fate will soon be decided. How can Elizabeth stand by doing nothing when she realizes the new head girl is a complete disaster? Her friends Julian and Jan agree with her, but will anybody else? So here we have the last and 10th book. Elizabeth is overjoyed to be a monster again, but one of the second form boys seems to be turning all the other boys against her. Who can it be and why? So let's put the book here. Okay, so here is the box set, and now I read the summaries and showed you each of the books. So next time when I'm coming to review each of these, I need you to read them and be ready. So bye, see you next day. Subscribe, like, comment, click that bell icon over there, and visit my FB page. You'll find more of these books on sale. Bye!